Hey guys, I'm Zesty. Welcome to my channel where I show you how to make my favorite recipes and DIYs. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my own lip balm. This lip balm is completely natural. It uses simple ingredients and it's quick and easy to make. What I love about making my own lip balm is that you can totally customize it to however you're feeling that day. If you want to add in some essential oils, it's totally easy to do that. Or if you want to leave it unscented, you can totally do that as well. I used to really struggle with chapped lips, and it wasn't until I switched to an organic lip balm that my lips finally started to heal. And honestly guys, this DIY is super easy. So anyways, let's get to it. For your ingredients, you're going to need 3 teaspoons of avocado oil, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon or 3 grams of beeswax. I also added 12 drops of lavender oil. And to store your lip balm, you'll want to use a small, clean, reusable container. Start by putting the avocado oil, coconut oil, and beeswax in a heat-proof bowl. We are going to create a double boiler by boiling some water in a pot or saucepan and placing a heat-proof bowl on the top. The bowl should fit and rest on the top of the pot without touching the water. We are then going to melt our ingredients in our bowl and stir them together until we have a fully melted mixture. As soon as your mixture is fully melted, you're going to want to take it off of the heat and immediately add in the essential oil before it starts to harden. Once you've added it, use a spatula to stir the mixture and then quickly transfer it to your container of choice. You're welcome to use it after 15 minutes of it cooling, but it will take a couple of hours for it to fully set into a lip balm consistency. You can also speed up this process by putting it in the fridge. Alright guys, it's been about 3 hours and this is what my lip balm looks like. It's got a nice glossy look, but it's not overly soft or oily. And when I apply it, it feels super moisturizing, and I find that it's really long lasting, so I usually like to put it on right before bed after I wash my face and in the mornings after I brush my teeth. And this little container here usually lasts me about 5 to 6 months, which is awesome for such an easy DIY. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.